Hey folks, one question I've been getting a lot is if two sections of a class are linked, do I have to assign something to everyone in all of the sections, or can I assign things individually to one section or the other? The answer is you can individually assign things to one section or another still. Let me show you how that's done. So here I've got my linked AP Physics 1 course. You can see section 1 and section 2 are linked together. But let's say I want to add a material that I only want the first section to see and not the second section. Maybe it's a roster, maybe it's some groups that, for a class breakout room or something like that. Maybe it's a link unique to that class, whatever. I want it only to go to section 1. So this works for any of these materials. I'll use the links as an example. So if I want to add a link, let's add a link here. I have a link already copied. This is my syllabus example from the other video. And the availability is where you're going to choose who can see that link. So right now, all sections can see it, but I can also choose to just assign it to section 1 or section 2. It's a little bit finicky, so you got to make sure that the green bubble is next to the section you want to see it. So right now, both sections can see it. Now only section 1 can see it, and now only section 2 can see it. So it's this availability section here that allows you to choose who can see it and who can't. If you want to go a step further, let's say you're doing a reassessment for an individual kid, you don't want everyone to see it. This 3-dot option here allows you to individually assign something to individual students. I don't know my students in this class. Let's see, do I have a Joseph? Nope. Let's see. I thought Brett was in that class. Maybe he's not. Anyways, you type in the kid's name and it will assign it just to those students. So that's great for maybe reassessments or targeted things where you're allowing students to do something on their own. So yes to assigning to individual sections. Also yes to assigning to individual students. All right, there we go.